Hello, we're going to get started today. You're going to do your math subtraction slides and then get on iReady. Reading main idea slides and get on iReady reading. Foundations word work and then practice your sight words. So very similar than yesterday. Again, subtraction or taking away one number or an amount away from another. To separate or take away from. All right. So I started this so that you guys could kind of see what you're doing, okay? So you're going to be moving these B's. They're all right here. You're going to move them to your bigger number. So it says your bigger number is 10. You're going to move that amount. So I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got to move one more B. 10. Okay, so I have 10 B's all together right here. I'm going to take this slash mark right here and I'm going to slash off the amount that it says. So 10 take away 1. So I'm going to take one of them away. So I slash that one out. So now I'm going to count how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 left. So I'm going to move my B to my hive. And it has a check mark right here to show that I am correct, that that is 9. So 10 take away 1 equals 9. You're going to do that same thing for all of yours, okay? Moving the B's over, taking your slash mark, okay? Just like this one, I move 8 B's over. Then I would move my slash mark on top of 2 of my B's and then count how many I have left. And then move my B that is correct into the hive and it'll show you the check mark if it's correct. Okay. All right, again, with reading, we're working on the main idea. Main idea is what the text is mostly about, and then our details are just the ways to support the main idea. And if you need help with the main idea, some clues to look for would be the title and headings, what the text is mostly talking about, looking at the photos, repeated words, and the first and last page of the book, okay? So this is for reading comprehension. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to read the story to you, and then you're going to answer the questions about the main idea. Every chicken hatches from an egg. Once the hatchling pecks its way out of his egg, using his egg tooth, it will be covered in a sticky substance that had protected it when he or she was inside the egg. The young chicken is called the chick or hatchling. Chicks need to be kept warm and provided with plenty of food and water. Over the next several weeks, they will start to get their real feathers in. After about 8 weeks, they are teenagers, and in chicken terms, known as pullets. Once a female chicken lays her egg at about 18 weeks old, she is considered an adult. Male chickens or roosters will be practicing their crowning around the time too. So how does a chicken get out of the egg? You're going to type your answer right here. And remember, you can double click on this, and then write your answer. What is a teenage chicken called? Write your answer. What is one detail you learned about chickens? You're going to type your answer right here. Then it says circle the word need. Okay, so you're going to go through and you're going to read it 3 more times. And you're going to circle the word need in the passage. And you got several circles down here to move, okay? All right. Working on foundations word work again. This time you're doing digraphs. So digraphs is whenever you have 2 sounds at the beginning or the end of the word that go together and make a sound together, okay? So like this one, we're going to have to move an S and an H over for shoe. I'm using my key to help me. We're going to have to move a P over for pizza, and we're going to have to move an I over for iguana. So then we're going to look up here at my puzzler cards, and we're going to find the puzzler that has S, H, I, and P in it, and then use your circle right here to circle the right one. When you know it, you're going to type it in the box. Do that for a couple of them, and then that is it for today. Let me know if you have any questions. Get on iReady Reading and iReady Math, and then work on your sight words on Google Classroom.